in our personal plan would give us advice and possibly write collection letters for us if it was a personal nature. This allows us to have a called out bullet of collection letters on my business related. And it has some designated consultation where that's like highly complex type of business matters. It takes my 50 hours in my personal plan, and it allows me also not only to have my personal plan with protection of IRS audit services, now it also allows me to have Schedule C and Schedule E coverage as well. And why is this so important is because look at the target audience. This is for a for-profit home-based business. This is for independent contractors, 1099 contractors. And please do me a favor, understand that 1099 contractors are not employees.